Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Binance Verification Failed. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just click on top left corner on this Binance icon. Okay, here. Now click on top right corner on the setting icon. Okay, now scroll down and here you will see under others, clear cache. Just click on it and click on yes. Now if the previous method didn't work, try these. Check your documents. Use a valid government issued ID, passport, driver license or national ID. Ensure the document is not expired and all text is clearly visible. Avoid blurry, cropped or overexposed photos. Retake selfie or liveness check. Make sure your face is well lit and matches your photo ID. Avoid glasses, hats or filters. Complete the verification in a quiet and well lit environment. Ensure correct region. Some IDs are not accepted in certain countries. Match personal info, full name, birth date and address must exactly match your ID. Double check for spelling errors or mismatched format. Wait if limited. If you have reached the daily limit, wait 24 hours before retrying. Now if nothing works, contact Binance support. Just go on www.binance.com/en/support and provide screenshots and describe the issue clearly to them. After that, your problem will be solved. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.